So today in this video I want to share how to build IoT project based on ESP32. So ESP32 has a very good advantage for us to build IoT projects because it has a built-in Wi-Fi and a built-in Bluetooth. So here's Arduino. Arduino does not have any Wi-Fi or any Bluetooth. So to be able to build IoT project, we must have a separate Wi-Fi board, and then only we can build IoT project. So we need to have two components. One is Arduino and one is a Wi-Fi module. Then we have to pair with these two things, and then only we can build IoT project. But for this video, we're going to make a very simple way, which is based on ESP32 built-in Wi-Fi and a built-in Bluetooth. But here we are going to use a Wi-Fi. So make sure that you watch my previous video how to set up ESP32 with Arduino IDE, because we're going to use Arduino IDE. So we're going to upload a code here, and from this ESP32 we're going to control a relay, and from this relay we control high voltage. So first connect the USB cable, and make sure that which kind of the model you are using, you have to remember, you have to keep in mind, because I'm using ESP32 DevKit V1. When uploading the code, we must select the right board. Which kind of the board you are using, we must select this your model number. Right? So let's connect to the computer. Open Arduino IDE. We're not going to use these. We're going to open for the new sketch and close this. So once you open Arduino IDE, what you're going to see is right here. This is a empty code. We didn't need to write any code here. So first of all, we have to make sure that we select the right board. I just go to the tools here and ESP32. So here's a lot of ESP32 model, and you need to scroll it down, and we have to select which kind of board you are using. So my ESP32 is DevKit V1, so I select my right board here, and the next tools again, and this is the board.com. Here we're going to use a sample, and here you click over here, and if you scroll down here, you will see Wi-Fi. Just go to Wi-Fi and a simple Wi-Fi server. We're going to use this example. Then you close this. We're going to use this. So this is what Arduino IDE already provides the code. So here what we're going to do is you need to type your Wi-Fi name. You need to provide your Wi-Fi name here. And here's the password. You must provide your Wi-Fi password. So pin number 5, high is on, low is off. So the pin number 5 we on, this means that LED, but we're going to connect relay later. Alright, so we don't have to do anything right here. We just upload the code. When you upload the code, you need to press the boot button on your ESP32. So press the boot button. Alright, done upload. The code is successful. After done upload, we're going to connect our relay to ESP32. So ESP32 has the pin is down here, so we're going to use a breadboard. Just use a breadboard because I'm using male to female jumper wire. So VCC we connect to 3.3 volt here, and ground we connect to ground here, and the output will connect to digital pin number 5. Here's D5, right? So what we're gonna do is we need to see the ESP32 IP address. So click on the serial monitor and make sure that you click the baud rate, which is we use for ESP32 115200, and then you need to press another pin here. So once you press another pin, just scroll it down and you're going to see this IP address for ESP32. So just copy the IP address, just right click and Control C copy, and now we go to any website like Chrome, and from the Chrome on the search bar just paste. So once you paste IP address of ESP32, the enter. Okay, here you can see click here to turn on LED. If I click here, then you will see the LED will be turned on. Here's off. So this position we can make a relay on and off. So from here, from the relay to AC light bulb, we can control high voltage. So here is I'm going to use high voltage, which is 240 volt. Here's live, a neutral, and a ground. If I directly connect to AC point, this light will be turned on, and the light is turned on. So here's 3 wire, is live, a neutral, and a ground. So I'm using this live is with connector, and I will turn off the switch first for safety. Okay, and here the live cable we connect to common of the relay here. Make sure that you unplug the power source. You need to take your own risk. So the connection is already complete. So for the light bulb, this is a live, a neutral, ground. Live will come to COM and out from normally opened, and we come to the light bulb. So I will turn on the switch. Right, turn on, off. So this way how you can control the light bulb if you use a mobile, and here you can paste the IP address. So 19, just type here 192.168.1-140. So this is the IP address for this ESP32. So search. So you can see it right here, but this is very small. So let me turn on.